Hi friends, and I am back for a live awesome announcement. No, it's not the birth of my baby. You can see the baby is still right here. I'm here today to tell you how you can stay fit or get fit or lose weight over the holidays, whatever it is. Start your fitness program if that's been eluding you forever, without sacrificing all of those yummy holiday goodies. So the other day I asked right here on my page, I said, let me know what your favorite holiday treat is. So if you didn't let me know then, let me know now. And there's a couple of you, let's see, Hillary, Joanna, Becky, you guys all had some really good things you commented on. Let's see, I think Tanya and Brenda, there were a bunch of people, puppy chow, cookies, pumpkin pie, all these things that you guys love to eat over the holidays. And if you're like me, it goes one of two ways. Either I decide, you know what, I'm going to cut myself off. I'm not going to eat any of it. I'm going to be super strict. And I end up kind of being miserable because I'm not enjoying myself over the holidays. Or I do this, and this is, double, like this if this is you. Give me a little wave if this is you. I say, you know what, I'm going to start at the beginning of next year. Anybody already thinking that and it's October? You guys, we've still got, it's not the last 90 days. I know everybody's doing this last 90 days thing, but it's not 90 days, but holy cow, it's at least 2 months until next year. And people are already throwing in the towel. They're like, I'll deal with it on January 1st. Don't be that person. I'm here today to tell you how you don't have to be that person. You don't. So if you're that person, let's think about a couple things. First of all, you have a choice right now. You have a choice. You can throw in the towel and you can, eat what you want, but probably be pretty miserable and uncomfortable over the holidays. And then get into the new year already overweight. So you're going to spend the first 2 months, at least, of the new year having to lose everything you gained in the last 2 months of this year. So you're already behind, right? You're going to either do that, or you can start right now, make some tiny little changes, and end the new year already happier, healthier, fitter than you are right now. Okay, so who would absolutely love it if that is how you started your new year? Because I know past me would have loved it if someone told me this. Now, the problem is what happens is when a lot of people tell you this is what they say. They say, oh, awesome. Well, here's what you got to do. Here's this specific diet that you have to follow. Here is a specific exercise regimen you have to follow, and don't miss a day. Oh, no, just kidding. You can take Saturday off, but make sure you go for a long walk, right? So don't miss a day. Otherwise, you might not get the results you want. That isn't what I'm here to tell you, because if you haven't already heard of the MIMO method, that is my online health and wellness total body transformation program that takes you in a do-it-yourself program. Pardon the cat over there. This is what happens when you work from home. The do-it-yourself program on 12 of your weeks. If you want to skip a week, right? 12 of your weeks takes you from, I'm not even there, I don't even know what to do, I don't like working out, all the way through. Here's the end. I've lost weight that I want to lose. I've made the health changes that I want to make. Y'all, we have people in our program who have lost significant weight. I'm talking, they were 250 pounds overweight and now they've lost 240 of them. People who have kicked type 2 diabetes to the curb. It is controlled, it's managed. In fact, they aren't even testing as type 2 diabetic anymore. People who have found a renewed sense of happiness in everyday life after family tragedy, just because they plugged in and made some little minor efforts daily in the MIMO method. So it works because it is not action-oriented, do this, follow this, and as long as you're on the straight and narrow, you're going to be there. It works because it's based on real-life research. Cognitive behavioral techniques that teach you how to access your inner self so that you are telling yourself how to make the changes. You don't need someone like me coming in your face all the time after you get these techniques down, right? It works because you make the decisions. I will never tell you what menu you're going to eat for the week. You get to make the decisions. And here's the best part of that. For anyone that enrolls between now and the new year in the MIMO method, you are going to get this beautiful, beautiful cookbook. Well, I say cookbook, it's a recipe book. This book was curated during our original testing of this program. So the women that were in my original group who were going through this and losing weight, but still eating what they enjoyed, they all submitted recipes. Some are from my kitchen, some are from their kitchen, and they're recipes that work for you while you're learning how to use the methods of the MIMO method and how to lose weight. And the best part is there are things in here that are perfect for the holidays. So you know that green bean casserole. Does anybody like that green bean casserole that they have usually, like it's a Thanksgiving thing with the canned green beans? There's a green bean mushroom bake in here that is going to be way better for you and way better tasting. Rice, if you like rice, there's rice recipes. There's a way to make jambalaya, pancakes. I'm just flipping through. I didn't even plan what I was doing. A crock pot beef roast, sloppy joes, chicken tenders. There's a whole section of desserts. A pie crust that you can fill however you want. You can make a very healthy pumpkin pie out of that. Pecan pie, ice cream, and this is my favorite, the bread recipe. The bread recipe, because I don't want you to have to kick bread to the curb. And then in the very back, if you're the kind of person that does need menus, there are 3 different full week menus depending on what you're trying to do. So if you're trying to kick sugar, Monday through Sunday, full week menu. If you're trying to burn fat initially, full week menu, fat for fuel. If you're trying to eat less meat, full week menu, plant-based. So this whole book, right? This whole book that was curated during our beta sessions, you will get for absolutely free. I will send you a PDF link. Now, this is something that I probably shouldn't tell you. With the holidays coming up, I think you deserve to know. I'm sending you the link. You can print it as many times as you want, and you could give it for presents. Why not? It makes a great stocking stuffer, and it will encourage the people in your family to make healthy meals as well. So that is my gift to you. If you decide that you are ready to not wait for the new year and get started today, you get this for free to your inbox. As soon as you enroll, you'll get an email to your inbox, and that is where you will get your Eat Mo Mimo free recipe book with enrollment in the program. Now, if you want more information on this program, I've included a link above that you can go in, you can enroll, you can also read more about it. You can also go to GretchenGegg.com and click on the MIMO method and read all about the program, read some of the testimonials there, and learn more about why this is for you. Some of the things you get in this program, just so you know, you get 12 weeks of lecture with text and homework, like so things you're actually doing. Again, these are 12 of your weeks, but you also get 12 plus like 20 extra workouts. These are workouts that anyone can do. All of them have chair modifications. I have done them all the way through my pregnancy. I'm about to pop, as you can tell. They're safe, they're effective. Every single person that has ever started in MIMO has been most impressed with the fact that they can do these workouts. So you guys, please don't wait till the new year. Please, if you need more incentive, not to wait till the new year, prices are going up January 1st. Prices of the MIMO method are going up significantly January 1st. So enroll today and make sure you share this with your friends so that they can get enrolled today too. I would love to answer your questions. If you have one, drop it below. And I hope to see you inside the MIMO method.